How big is the Nvidia RTX 4090? Sized up next to Xbox, a banana, and more. Can they put it next to a 3090? That'd be helpful for me. Oh my God, it looks enormous next to that Xbox. How about next to a 2-liter bottle of Pepsi Max? So are you trying to draw a thread here, a line from the Pepsi story?
No, that's accidental.
It's the size of a 2-liter bottle, really. Why does the shape of that 2-liter bottle look weird? Is it taller?
It's just too long.
Slender? I don't know. Let's see a banana, because everyone knows it. Oh my God, that's not a huge banana though. I'm gonna guess. I'm looking at the stem. I'm looking at the proportions. What about the bigger consoles like the Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5? Okay, that looks a little
pretty
bit
close
more
to the Xbox.
Manageable. Well, almost the exact same height. So I guess that makes it a little bit larger than the 3090. Definitely.
It's definitely a lot bigger, I think.
Yeah. Well, and this is the stock cooler. I guess there's going to be... Oh, it's fat.
It's fat.
It's fat.
Yeah.
When you see it from this angle, it dwarfs the brand new Intel Arc A770 limited edition. Then again, you could pick up 4 of the Intel cards for the price of one RTX 4090. Wow. So, it's a beast. You're going to have to upgrade your chassis here. You're going to need some space for this on either side.
Yeah.
Especially if you go with this particular cooler. And you're going to need some support for that baby right there.
Mm-hmm.
My goodness. I don't know about any mini ITX builds. I'm not sure, Will.
Yeah, no chance.
What title are we going to throw at this card? What title are we going to be able to max out?
The 4090 is...
No, not the title of the video. Which game? Game title.
Game title? Oh, yeah. Max? Cyberpunk.
We're going to use Cyberpunk. We're going to go back to the Cyberpunk days. You keep saying that to me. You're like, Cyberpunk is still the title.
It's coming back.
Okay. All right. Well, you said it. I didn't.
Yeah.
Whatever you say, man.